Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture I am going to discuss about a comparison between Z transform and Fourier transform. Here we can see that if we put modulus of Z equal to 1, then Z transform is converted into discrete time Fourier transform. We know that definition of Z transform is xn z to the power minus n and limit of n is equal to minus infinity to infinity. This is the definition of Z transform. And we know that Z is a complex number and its value is r e to the power j omega, where r is modulus of Z. So this one is complex number, and if we put that r, that is modulus of Z equal to 1, then that Z transform become xn, and if we just put the value of Z equal to r e to the power j omega to the power n, then it is Z transform. And if we put the value of r equal to 1, then it becomes n equal to minus infinity to infinity xn e to the power minus j omega n. This one is when modulus of Z equal to 1. And this is the expression for discrete time Fourier transform. So from this mathematical expression we can see that if we put modulus of Z equal to 1 in Z transform, then that Z transform converted into discrete time Fourier transform. So basically discrete time Fourier transform is Z transform when modulus of Z equal to 1. So we know that Z transform and discrete time Fourier transform both are used for discrete time signal, but this is the basic definition between both is discrete time Fourier transform have modulus of Z equal to 1, but there have no restriction in Z transform.